So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty. And today I again represent you a very important product unboxing video. So as you can see that actually this is a Flipkart branding. So actually friends, today I unbox a mobile phone. So if you are follow my channel previously, then you can easily understand that I unbox a lot of mobile phones on my channel. Okay, so similarly today I again unbox a mobile phone, and as you can see, this is my address friends. Actually I hide this. Actually I blur this. So this is the Nokia 110 model. So this is the, as you know that the Nokia is previously famous brand for making mobile phones, but nowadays whenever they purchase, they do some kind of partnerships with Microsoft and rebranded their product as Nokia Lumia, and after that their market share going to very high, and suddenly after 2017 or 18 their market share drop in a decent amount, so that they out of market. So that's why they and after that one of the company named HMD Global, they purchase all of the business and marketing share of this Nokia mobile and just rebrand them as a Nokia and sell their products. So actually this is not a Nokia phone, this is the phone of HMD Global. So most people unable to know that, but believe me, previously I used this HMD Global Nokia version on my mother's phone, and this is extremely good. So this is not people think that, oh, HMD Global acquired this, that means we did not get that kind of quality like previous Nokia phones, but that is not fact, my friend. But quality is almost remains same, so there is no that kind of difference. Okay friends, so enough talk. This is the Nokia 110 version, and I purchased this product from Flipkart, and the price of this product is 200 2000 rupees. And okay, so and if you are very lucky, then you get some kind of discount on it. So okay, so no more talk, let's unpack this. So as you can see that actually friends, I currently I am in in my uncle's house, and as you can see there is a very good decorating, and here my uncle give me a separate room here. And actually due to some kind of issue on my house, so that's why I moved into my uncle's house for 3 to 4 months. And here I did not have a such kind of good knife, so that's why I want to unpack this. So okay, so let's unpack this. So actually friends, holding the phone in one hand is very difficult, so that's why. Okay, so okay, so near. Okay, so so friends, actually as you can see that the quality of the phone is, so as you can see, actually the packaging of the Flipkart is very good. So as you can see, the Flipkart, this is comes with a bubble wrap protector, so that means if you fall phone down from high height, then this kind of. So as you can see that, wow, what is. So now again um, just cut the packet from here. And so actually there is no need to use this kind of scissor, you can easily do it with your own hand. So wow. Okay, okay, so as you can see that, so actually friends, as you can see, okay, so now all of this, so this is my tube light, so this is my tube light. So that's why. So as you can see that this is Nokia 110, and this is the blue version. So another thing is, here this is a seal product, so don't accept this product if this seal is broken. So actually friends, I suggest you to don't accept any product if the seal is broken. It applicable for your own life also. So I hope you understand that what I want to say, seal is broken. So okay, I hope you are very intelligent to understand. Don't accept any kind of product. So I hope if you know what I mean, then please comment down below what I want to say. I hope you understand. So now let's see Nokia 110, what is inside the box. So as you can see that this is comes with MP3 music player, FM radio headset, and video camera. It's also supposes QVGA camera, so that means you can also take some kind of photography and as well as videography also. And it's a VGA camera, and up to battery 14 hours to 18.5 days. Okay, so depend on what mobile usage, what kind of time usage. So up to 7. Okay, so this is the things you can, I hope you are not a illiterate person and you will easily understand it. So now just cut the seal. So cutting seal is in your life is also very important. So okay, so now so as you can see that I just cut the phone. Wow, 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 this is a very wow, wow, wow. Actually friends, the phone quality is extremely good, and as you can see this is the phone. Whoa, extremely good quality. And as you can see that this is the blue edition. So this is the blue edition, and as you can see this is the Nokia phone charger, and this is this kind of micro USB 2.0. So as you can see, wow, actually friends, the smell of the product is very good. And here this is comes with battery, and there, and unfortunately there is no earphones in this packet. So there is no earphones in this packet. So as you can see this is some kind of user's manual, and this is the user's manuals, and it comes with 1 year warranty. And there is nothing inside in the box, that there is no earphones or no something. So okay, so now this is the, as you can see, the Nokia quick charging guide. So now what I do is just just insert the battery in the phone, and insert the battery in the phone and just turn on the phone. So okay, so here as you can see that, so here as you can see, so here as you can see this is the battery. So okay friends, actually friends, this phone I ordered for my uncle. So for my uncle, and I first insert my uncle's SIM card here, and after that I turn the phone on again. So okay, so as you can see, and another thing is this is I suggest you to use some kind of external, not any temper glass, some kind of polythene protector on the phone screen, otherwise it is get dirty very. Okay, so as you can see, and another thing is the quality and the touch of the product is very good. So as you can see that, and this is extremely quality, and this is all the gold plated and similar like SIM card. So as you can see, as you can see, so this is the SIM card. This is not supported any micro SIM, or that's a normal SIM, and this is a micro SD card slot, and this is the charger. Okay, so now I insert my uncle SIM card in this phone, and let's start the phone. So friends, as you can see that I insert my uncle's SIM here. So uh, actually inserting the SIM is very important. This is a basic childish thing. So how to insert the SIM? You just as you can see there is some kind of pretty small icon. So I focus my camera. So as you can see this is the black icon. You just insert the SIM on the same manner. That means this some kind of rounded edge, and the rounded edge is in the side. I hope you understand this is the same. So as you can see that this is a process that how to you can insert the SIM card. So after that you have to insert the battery, and this is the some kind of three dot, and this is the three dot, and the three dot goes to into the three dot position, and just okay. So now actually friends, another thing is this phone comes with 10 days replacement policy. If you face any problem regarding this phone, you can raise a return request on this. And otherwise if you feel that the color of the phone is not good and you don't need it, then you can also return this product. So this is the beauty of Flipkart and Amazon, some kind of not only Flipkart, Amazon, it's beauty of all online products. So that's why most people prefer to purchase any kind of from online purchase, because online purchases are safe rather than, because suppose you purchase this phone from an offline store and they did not give some kind that kind of advantages. So okay, so now just turn on the phone. So as you can see, automatic. Wow, what a sound. Go. So clock. So actually friends, I have to settings the clock here. So actually friends, I have to settings the clock. Actually this is the 8:41. So now select. Wow, what a sound. 8 p.m. So now select the date, 13/8. Okay. So as you can see, this is the phone. Wow, what a good quality phone. So as you can see that this is a some kind of, they changes all of this, some kind of logo and icons. So as you can see that this is the some kind of messaging or okay. So as you can see that this is a go to settings. So as you can see, this is the all the things, some kind of contacts, photos. You can play the snake game here. Okay. So okay. So and this is the camera. So as you can see a camera phone on a camera phone. So as you can see, wow, what a camera, and the camera quality is decent. I hope you understand. So okay, now back. So and this is the radio, and you can play radio also and music also, videos. You can start voice recording also. Okay. So you can play some kind of games, and this is supported dual sim and support up to 32 GB HD memory card. So okay friends, and this is comes with 1 year warranty. So okay friends, this is the Nokia 110. So okay friends, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I try my best to resolve your issues. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. So okay friends, goodbye.